So, good morning everyone. Today, let's proceed to our next topic, which is next topic in the automotive electrical devices, which is the safety and signaling. So, first, in the safety and signaling, ito yung mga matatakil natin. This is the horn and horn relay, vehicle security system, seat belts, airbags, and airbag replacement. So, horn and horn relay. So, first of all, ano ba yung relay? Sir, ano ba yung relay? So, sa relay, relay is an electrically operated switch. It consists of a set of input terminals for a single or multiple control of operating contact terminals. The switch may have any number of contacts in multiple contact forms such as make contacts, break contacts, or combination thereof. Relay ay ginagamit to control a circuit by an independent low power signal, or kung saan several circuit must be controlled by one signal, o mahina yung signal o ginagamitan ng malaking signal, no? So next, dito sa next picture, a simple electromagnetic relay consists of a coil of wire wrapped around a soft iron core or a solenoid. No, makikita niyo sa picture. An iron yoke which provides a low reluctance path of magnetic flux, a movable iron armature, and one or more sets of contacts. So there are two contacts in the relay picture. So the armature is hinged, no, to the yoke and mechanically linked to one or more sets of moving contacts. The armature is held in place by a spring, so that when the relay is de-energized, there is a gap sa ating magnetic circuit. Sa ganitong condition, one of the two sets of contacts in the relay pictured is closed. So nakasara siya. And so yung isa nakasara and the other is open. Other relays may have more or fewer sets of contact depending on their function. The relay in the picture also has a wire connecting to the armature sa kanyang yoke, no? So next is the operating principle of a relay. So, what is a operating principle of a relay? Number one is operating state. Number one is to switch on, no? Turn the switch on. Yan, yung sa baba. Yan yung switch, yung symbol ng switch. Next is energize the coil with electric current, no? Current flows through the coil pag on mo sa switch. So yan, yung ano niya, yung pattern niya dyan, magdadaloy yung current. Kita. Next is magnetize the iron core. The current through the coil magnetizes the iron core, no? Next is generate electromagnetic force. When an electromagnetic force is generated to the magnetic iron core, the armature is then attached to the core. So, yung armature natin is namamagnetize siya doon sa ating core, nasa kita dyan sa picture. Next is when the armature is attracted to the iron core, the moving contact and fixed contact come together in contact. Now, relay contact is on state o naka-on siya. Next is the electrical current flows through the fixed contact, turning the lamp light on. So, ano na siya. 'Di ba? Pag mag-contact na yung dalawang contact turning point niya. Next is turn the switch off. Pag turn ng switch off, the current stops flowing through the coil and the force to attract the armature is no longer exists, and the armature returns to its original position by the force of the release spring. So, dili na siya mamagnetize, mabalik siya sa iyahang fixed position. And next is, when the armature returns to its original position, contacts are separated. No? So, muna siya ang, pag mabalik na siya, sa iyahang position, naka-off na siya. Ibig sabihin, naka-off ang relay. Then, lamp light off. The current stops flowing through the fixed contact, turning the lamp light off. So, muna na siya. Next is the horn and horn relay. So, safety and signaling. Most cars have two horns at the front of the car. Horns are electrically operated noise makers used by the drivers to provide a loud warning sign. So, ang horn relay is ang pagpindot ng horn button sa ating steering wheel or column grounds, the circuit connecting the battery to the horn relay. Dahil doon nagko-close ang contact points ng relay, no? Sa ipakita ganina, nagko-close ang contact points ng ating relay and connects the horns through the relay to the battery. No? Through the relay to the battery. The electric current then causes the diaphragm in each horn to vibrate at magproduce ng sound sa horn. Pag ang current ay mag-flow through the coil windings in the horn, the resulting magnetic field pulls the armature papunta sa pole. The armature attaches to the diaphragm, which also moves up. No? Itong upward travel ay nag-open sa normally closed contact points and opens the circuit. As the circuit opens, the magnetic field ay magko-collapse. The diaphragm and armature spring back to their at rest position o babalik sa kanilang position. This movement closes the contact points at magko-complete ang circuit. The cycle repeats many times per second to produce the sound. As long as yung horn button natin ay is depressed or naka-long press, the number of vibrations per sound determines the pitch of the sound. No, the greater the number of vibrations, the higher ang kanyang pitch sa ating horn. Like, siya. So, next is the vehicle security system. So, ang vehicle security system is an anti-theft or security alarm system causes the horn to sound and the lights to flash if someone tries to break into the vehicle. So, ang vehicle security system ay may iba't ibang ways para ma-trigger ang alarm. Typically, the driver, siniset niya yung alarm by operating a switch before leaving the vehicle. So, bago aalis yung driver, may i-flick siya na switch para maano yung alarm. Then opening or forcing open the hood, trunk, tailgate, or any door triggers the alarm. Many vehicle security systems include a starter interrupt, This prevents starting the engine after any forced entry. Kahit naka-bypass ang ignition switch, a passkey automotive security system, a resistor pellet in the ignition key must match the decoding circuit in the passkey module. No, only when the resistance values match will the module engage starter enable relay. The module then also signals the electronic control module or ECM to deliver fuel to the injector. So, yun. Next is the seat belts, no? Pinaka-common na safety guide ng sasakyan, seat belts. So, seat belt, also known as a safety belt or spelled seat belt, is a vehicle safety device designed to secure the driver or the passenger of a vehicle against harmful movement that may result during a collision or a sudden stop. No. So, ang seatbelts restrains the vehicle occupants if there is an accident. After entering a car, the driver and passenger fasten their a lap shoulder na seatbelt. So pero mostly ang lap shoulder seatbelt na siya. Diri sa to ang belly dapit sa may tiyan o diri paana siya. Bira. Then yung belt ay nagsisilbing pang-hold to the person in the seat during a collision or rollover. No? Inertia sensitive retractors lock the belt in place pag may impact na mangyayari. So, diba? Mamana sa to ang seat belt is pag na maka-apply kag force is dili siya mabira. So, a seat belt applies an opposing force to the driver and passenger to prevent them from falling out or making contact with the interior of the car. Especially sa ato ang salamin, 'di ba? Para dili ka ma-diretso sa ato ang salamin. Seat belts are considered primary restraint systems or PRS because of their vital role in occupant safety. So, passive restraints provide protection without requiring any action by the driver. So passive restraint siya kasi wala na makiginabuhat safety na makadaan kung naa kay seatbelt. Seatbelt operation, two types of passive restraints ay ang airbags and motorized seatbelts, that moved into position automatically after entering the car and closing the door. The driver turns on the ignition key, hihilain ng electric motor yung cable or tape na connected sa belt. The belt travels along track above the door. Dili. Pag magsisignal na yung switch sa control unit na ang belt is in position, the control unit shuts off the motor. The occupants must manually fasten the lap belt or the lap shoulder belt. The belt travels forward and out of the way when the door opens. In some cars with an airbag only on the driver's side, the seat belts for the front seat passenger automatically tightens in a crash. This provides the passenger with additional protection. So, mga siya. Next is airbags. Airbags are also supplemental inflatable restraints or SIR. They are balloon type devices that inflates automatically to protect the driver in front of seat passenger in some vehicles. If a front or end crash occur. So ang airbags is designed to inflate extremely quickly, then quickly deflated during a collision. It consists of airbag cushion, a flexible fabric bag, an inflation module, and an impact sensor. The purpose of the airbag is to provide a vehicle occupant with a soft cushioning and restraint during a collision or a crash, pag mag-crash. If it can reduce injuries between a flailing occupant and an interior of a vehicle. And lastly is the airbag replacement. An airbag inflates only once, then remove the deployed airbag and clean the inside of the vehicle. So airbag replacement, this is necessary because of the powder emitted as the airbag deploys. Install a new airbag module. Follow the airbag service procedure in the vehicle service manual. But caution, be careful working on the vehicles with airbags. You could accidentally trigger the system, and deploying airbag could injure you if you are not belted in normal seated position. So dili ka basta-basta makailis o airbag kung pataka kag taod kay matrigger siya, no, pwede siya maana sa imuhang na wala ka naka-prepare, so maka-injury siya. So I guess that's all our topic for today. So thank you for listening, and